What's up guys, Mike Vo here, your modern Asian dad. Today we are going to wash our cars with a foam cannon. I will show you guys how I use it to clean my cars quick and easy. Let's go. So this is the soap that I use right here. Chemical guys, you can buy this off of Amazon. Foam cannon. So basically, really easy. Pour in just a little bit. It's very thick, very concentrated. I would just pour in about this much right here. Then you just fill it up with some water. You fill it up with water, not all the way, but close to all the way of your bottle. It's gonna get super foamy anyway, so I guess you fill it up till it gets foamy. There we go. Make sure it's in tight.